Okay, so for question number 36, the question is saying that what you have optional questions here. With reference to the given figure, the figure is like P, Q, S, R. With reference to the given figure, the given conditions, write only the proof with the reason of the following theorem. What is given is in triangle PQR, triangle PQR is angle PQR is 90 degree. QS is perpendicular to PR, where S lies on PR. S lies on PR. This is the given question. And we have to prove that PR square is equals to PQ square. It is a good habit to write the given thing and to prove. Then we start with the proof. Okay, so it is in triangle PQR, angle Q is equals to 90 degree. So therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, what I can say is PR square equals PQ square plus QR square. This will be your equation number 1. Now, by construction, if we see the just let me see the question figure. Just 1 minute. Just the question we are asking is page number is 90. No. Yes, 86. Yeah. So